Hello and welcome. My name is Mariah Jacobs. I'm your Bright MLS customer success coach. Today we'll go over hit counters and reverse prospecting. So let's talk about what hit counters is and what reverse prospecting is, right? So my hit counters, it provides insight into the listing activity and the interest level on your listing for potential buyers. And this information is actually updated every night, right? So where exactly is hit counters and reverse prospecting located, right? So once you're signed into Bright MLS, you'll see this listing activity widget, okay? And within that listing activity widget, there should be an option that says My Hit Counters. Now, this is only available if you have active listings, okay? So you'll select the My Hit Counters, and then once you select My Hit Counters, it will provide you the listing activity and of course interest level for all of the properties that you have on the market, right? So within the hit counters, it provides you with the client portal visits, how many client views, clients that have favorite your home, client possibilities. So set, of course, that listing as a possibility, how many auto emails it's mentioned in. You also get a count of how many agents have shared your listings. So notice here it says agent and it has the number. So it's 293 agents that have shared this listing, right? Now, if you want to see the list of agents who have actually um, looked at the listing and, of course, who they've shared the listing with, we won't actually share who exactly they've shared the listing with, but it'll show you if the listing has been set as a favorite or possibility. So if we want that activity, what you'll do is within this hit counter screen, you'll select the listing and select reverse prospecting. So that's where reverse prospecting is, okay? So you'll select hit counters, select reverse prospecting at the bottom of your screen, and then this provides you with that list of agents, okay, with this reference number. So Melissa with this reference number, Melissa is the agent. The reference number is her client. We never release the client's information, okay? This helps Melissa identify what client um, she has shared this listing with, okay? Notice Melissa's client has set your home as a favorite. Okay. The heart here indicates that the home has been set as a favorite. So if you want to email Melissa and say, hey, Melissa, I see that your client number 59520 has set my home as a favorite, let them know that the price has dropped. How do you do that and how do you reach out to her? Well, you'll select the reverse prospecting option, select Melissa's name, and this will allow you to email Melissa saying, hey, Melissa, again, my listing price has dropped for this listing. I know you have a client that has set this home as a favorite. Please let them know we are still accepting offers. Okay. So that's reverse prospecting. Hit counters provide you with that listing activity that is updated every night. Okay. Which then allows you to create reverse prospecting, reaching out to those agents who has shared your listing with their client and their client has actually set your home as a favorite or a possibility. All right. This is data that you can share with your seller. Okay. Letting them know that there is a high interest on the home. Okay. Letting them know the benefit of entering their listing into the Bright MLS because it gives their home tons of exposure. Okay. So I hope hit counters and reverse prospecting helps you find a buyer for your seller. And thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great day.